Good evening, guys. I hope we are all doing well. Hello, can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Okay, and I hope we are fine, right? So basically, last week, the last time we spoke about addition and subtraction of matrices, and we did some few assignments on it. Now today we are doing multiplication of matrices. So let's start. So basically, when it comes to matrices, for two matrices A and B, the matrix A and B, which is A times B, is only possible if the number of columns of matrix A equals to the number of rows in matrix B. So basically, let me bring out a whiteboard because this note they've made it a bit complex for you to understand. So basically, if we have a matrix of let's say I want to bring out some matrix. So if let's say we have like this, something like this. Then we have 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 6, 6, 1, 8. This is matrix A. Then we have another one like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 2, 3. Have another one like this, and this is matrix B. Right. So, please, who can tell me the number of rows and columns we have in matrix A? Anybody? Anybody to tell me the number of rows and columns we have in matrix A?
3 by 3.
Okay, so meaning we have 3 rows. And then 3 columns. Okay, so what about matrix B? The same thing, right? 3 rows. 3 columns. All right. So, according to the rule, it is trying to say that whenever we want to multiply a matrix, or when a matrix will be able to multiply another matrix, the row of matrix the column of matrix A, meaning the column, we have 3 columns here. We have column 1, column 2, and column 3. Meaning the number of columns in matrix A should be equal to the number of rows in matrix B. So we also have 1, 2, and 3 rows here. So meaning that a matrix A and B can multiply successfully. But in a case of if in case we have matrix A with 3 by 3 or three columns, and then we have matrix B having 2 rows, then it means that they cannot multiply. We call it undefined. Do we get it? Do we get it? So basically,
Yes, please.
always it is row times column. Row times column. It's always row times column. So row here is 3. Column is also 3. Row here is 3. Column is also 3 in 2, meaning the column of matrix B, matrix A, sorry, should be equal to the row of matrix B, right? And then this one, the row of matrix A, and then the column of matrix B shows in what form should the final answer be. So if here is 3 and here is 3, meaning that the answer should be in a 3 by 3 matrix. Answer should be in a 3 by 3 matrix. That is when the row of matrix A and then the column of matrix B, the product of them is what the final answer should be. But matrix A and matrix B will be able to be multiplied only when the column of matrix A is equal to the row of matrix B. So let's quickly take this example. Let's say we have this. Let me type this. Let's say we have 5. So we have this 5, 3, 5, 3, 1. For matrix A. And then we have 2, 7, 5. For matrix B. Can somebody tell me, can they be multiplied? Can matrix A and B be multiplied?
Yes, it can be multiplied
Why?
because the number of rows in A is equal to the number of columns in B.
Okay, correct. So basically, that's it. Yeah. First of all, what you always need to do first is to bring your normal distance that row, always row times column. Always row times column. And then we have one column here. And then row we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 rows here. So here is 3 times 1. And then we also have a column. We have 1, 2, 3 here. So here is 3. Yes, 3. Then we have only one row, which is here. So here is 1. Right? So what are we seeing here? The column of matrix A is equal to the row of matrix D. So meaning what? They can multiply. And then our final answer should be in a 3 by 3 matrix. Are we okay up to this point? Are we okay up to this point?
Yes.
Okay. So basically, this is how how do I even say the criteria to take that always the column of matrix A should be equal to the row of matrix B. Let's take an example and then solve. So let me take this example. This is 2, 7, 5. This is A. The other one is 5, 3, 1, which is B. So who can tell me, can this one multiply? Can they be multiplied? Can they be multiplied?
I think they can be multiplied.
Why do you think so?
Uh,
So first things first, we always know it's row times column. Row times column. So the row here is 1 row and then 3 columns. Here we have 3 rows and then 1 column. So here we have 1 times 3. And then here we have 3 times 1. So this and this are the same. So it means they can multiply. And then we are supposed to leave our answer in a 1 by 1 matrix. Right. 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 So always know that in multiplying matrix, it is always row of matrix A times the column of matrix B. So row of matrix A times the column of matrix B. So let's quickly do that. So our answer is supposed to be in a 1 by 1 matrix. So let's quickly do that. So it will be 2 times 5 bracket plus this one too. Yes. So 7 times 3 plus this one to multiply this 3 times 1. So now this what will be the final answer? 2 times 5 is 10. 7, 3, 21. 31, 3. So 31 plus 3, 34. Hey. Oh,
It's 5.
yeah, here is supposed to be 5. Sorry. So this, sorry. No one's are too much in here. Right. So now our answer is 36 because it is in a what? Our answer is supposed to be in a 1 by 1 matrix. So this is the final answer. Is it difficult? Let's take another example. Is it difficult?
No.
All right. So let's take this one. 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 6, and then 6, 8. This for matrix A. Okay. 1, 2, 2. No, no. 5 minutes. One, 2, 2. Bunch of my mouse. 4, 2, 3. So first things first, what are we doing first? So what are we doing? First, let's indicate so that you have a fair idea about what they're doing. So always row times column. Always indicate row times column. Row times column. So how many rows do we have? We have 3 rows, 3 columns. 3 rows, 3 columns. So 3 times 3, 3 times 3. So now the column of matrix A is equal to the row of matrix B. So meaning they can what? They can multiply. And our answer is supposed to be in a 3 by 3 matrix. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So we know it is row of matrix A times the column of matrix B. So row of matrix A times the column of matrix B. So we are coming to multiply this row by this, the same row by this, the same row by this. So meaning first row, this first row, we'll multiply everything here. We'll multiply everything here. We'll multiply everything here. And then it will correspond with what will be at the first side, the second side, and the third side. Are we okay with it? Let's so now we are coming to solve for this side. First side here. Right, the first side here. So it is right working. Oh, okay, all right, about that. Okay. Working. So now what we are coming to do is multiply here by here. So now it will be 2 times 1 into bracket plus, and this 4 times this 2, it is 4, sorry. Then bracket close plus this 3 times this 2. So 2, 1, 2 plus 4, 4, 16 plus 3, 2, 6, 18, 24. So our first point here is 24. So you see, because we worked for this first row, so we got only the first side here. So we will take the same thing and then multiply by the second row to get the second side here. We take the same thing, multiply by the third row, and then we get the third side. Understood? So let's continue. So the same 2 times 2 plus this 4 times 2 again plus 3 times 3. 2, 2, 4. 4, 2, 8. And then 3, 3, 9. 12, 21. So 21. So here is 21. Are we cool? Or is there any confusion?
No.
No question, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now we are coming to do for the third side. So now we take the same thing and then multiply it with the third column here. So the same thing again. 2 times 2 plus 4 times 3 plus 3 times 1. 2, 2, 4. 4, 3, 4. And then 3, 1. So this will give you 16. 4 times 12. 12 plus 3 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. So here is what? 19. So now we are doing it for the third row. Okay, for the now we are done with the top side. We are coming to the middle and then the last one. So with the middle, we are also taking this middle one here. And then multiplying it by the whole distance. So first we are dealing with this one. So 5, 6, 5, 4, 6. So 5 times 1 plus 4 times 2, 3. What? 4 times 4 plus 6 times 5, 1, 5, 4, 4, 16, and then 6, 2, 12. This plus this 21, 21 plus 33. So you get 33. So the same thing. I think say the time 4%. Why is my calculator? 4%. F time and change. So let me quickly use calculator to do that. We have the same point, the same bracket 4 times bracket 5 times. Now I'm doing here, here, and then this row. I'm done with this row. So I'm doing this column. So I'm doing the second column. So 5 times 2 plus into bracket 4 times 2 plus into bracket again 6 times 3 to give us 36. And then the same thing again. 25 times 2 and then 4 times 3 because I'm doing for the third row here. 3 and then 6 times 1. That one to give us 28. 28 here. And then I'm coming to the last row. I also use it to multiply the whole thing here. So that one to is 6 times 1 plus into bracket 1 times 4 plus into bracket 8 times 2 because I'm using this, the last row here to multiply the first column. So I had 26 here. 26. And then now I'm doing for the second column. So 2, 6 times 2, 1 times 2, and then 8 times 3. That one to have 38. That's 8. And then now it will be 6 times 2 again. And then 1 times 3. And then 8 times 1. That one I had 23. So this is the final answer here. Is there any confusion, any question? Hello? Is there any confusion, any question?
No.
Oh, we understand it.
Yes.
Because me, I'll give you assignment, you know. So if you don't understand, you
Yes.
let me explain to you before. Okay.
Yes, sir.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. So today we did only the multiplication.
Yeah, today is meant for multiplication.
Okay, sir.
Daisy, is everything okay?
Yes, so
Okay, Dia, please, is everything okay? I'm Dia. What did your phone, Anna? All right. So in the absence of any question, I'll drop an assignment and then I'll drop the video too, so you can go over again. So, I'll drop the video. So please do well and then do the assignment. The last assignment, never mind, only 2 people did it. So please, 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 you guys should do it. Because the more you do it, the more you master, and then the more it becomes part of you. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
okay.
Thank you very much for joining. Night, and I can have a good night.
Bye.
Okay, so tomorrow we'll choose another topic.
Okay, sir.
All right. Okay, bye.
Bye.